What's going on, guys? Today we have some mail. Stay tuned and find out what it is. Back again for another video, and today I want to show you guys an unboxing of my degree, what I believe is my degree. This is what I got when I walked across the stage, and I will put that video right here for you guys. And so now for the unboxing of what I wanted to show you guys in the first place, my degree. I got it yesterday, came in the mail yesterday. I just didn't get a chance to unbox it, and I wanted to show you guys today with the unboxing. So you guys are going to be just as surprised as I am, and let's get this open. So I'm going to be careful not to that's all I'm doing. I don't want to damage anything. Well, actually, I gotta go a little bit more. Alright. Don't want to damage anything, but this is it. The moment we've been waiting for. Get that out the way. Get that out the way. And let's see. I don't know how this is going to go. I think there it is. It's here. My degree is here. Wow. It's pretty nice. It comes in its own little folder. Oh, you guys can't see it because of the light, but I have it on the overhead. Yeah, so this is my degree. So it says, got my name, degree of Bachelor of Fine Arts with honors in photography and imaging. So that's it, guys. This is my degree, and this is just a short video I wanted to show you guys on the unboxing of my degree. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna put a frame. I'm gonna frame it and have it open like this. Yeah. It's going to be open like this, yeah. But this is nice. It comes in this little folder like thing. And also, oh yeah. It's similar to my portfolio book right here. This is my portfolio book. And yeah, kind of the same material. It's real nice, real nice. All right, well, that's it for today, guys, and till next time, shoot for your dreams, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.